Bayonet for AKM assault rifle. Grau Index 6X3. The bayonet was adopted for service in 1959 along with the Kalashnikov AKM assault rifle. Since 1963, it has also been used with the Dragunov SVD sniper rifle. In English language literature, the name 6X3 AKM Type 1 was assigned to bayonets of this type. The bayonet knife was produced at two enterprises, the IZHEVSK and Tula arms factories. Bayonet knives of this model produced by TOZ are much less common in IZHEVSK and, as a result, are more expensive. The 6X3 model bayonet was supplied to various countries along with AKM assault rifles. In addition, copies of the bayonet were produced in Hungary, the GDR, Poland, and Romania. In this article we will talk about the 6x3 model bayonet made in IZHEVSK. See the Tula version of this bayonet here. The bayonet blade is single-edged. The combat end is double-edged, with a concave blade on the butt side. The butt of the blade has a notch in the form of teeth, allowing the bayonet to be used as a saw. There is a rectangular hole in the front of the blade, which allows you to attach the bayonet to the sheath and use the structure as a wire cutter. The handle is formed by two plastic cheeks, fastened to the blade shank with two rivets. It is believed that there are three colors of the handle, but in practice it turns out that there are many more colors, from almost black to light red. It is generally accepted that the first batches of bayonets had a dark handle and a leather safety strap. The crosspiece with the ring is located on the side of the blade. The crosspiece has technological marks on one side and the bayonet number on the other side. The manufacturer's mark is located on the protrusion of the cross on the back of the handle near the ring. The numbers come in 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits, and there are also numbers with alphanumeric designations. Most often, the number is written using an electric pencil, but there are also stamped ones. The head of the handle has a T-shaped slot and a spring latch with an internal coil spring. The spring latch button is protected by a plastic edge. The button also comes in different colors and often does not match the color of the handle. Steel scabbard. The upper part of the sheath is covered with a rubber insulating pad for grasping with your hand when biting live wires. Insulators also vary in color from black to light gray. The hanging belt is made of leather in different colors and has differences in design. There is no manufacturer's mark on the metal scabbard, but there are two main types that differ in technological production features: rounded or flat rivets of the stop and the welding point of the protrusion axis, photo number 9. It is not entirely clear whether these features can be used to distinguish between Tula and IZHEVSK scabbards, but this technological feature is characteristic of the 6x4 model bayonet knife scabbard. And there the manufacturer's mark is already affixed and a clear division can be seen according to the characteristics described above, photo number 10. Total length, 280 mm blade length, 150 mm blade width, 30 mm.